Recycling is much harder and more complicated than it seems on the surface. Most people think, wow, I just saved the environment by throwing a bottle in the recycling bin. And while this is true to a certain extent, many people either end up recycling items which shouldn't be recycled or recycling incorrectly to begin with. Today we're going to be looking at some of the most common mistakes everyone makes when they recycle, as well as some of the resources to help you get better. Firstly, we're going to be looking at the 3 golden rules to recycling. Now, these rules are the bare minimum that you need to know to start recycling, and while they're simple and easy to follow, they account for a large majority of the mistakes most people make. The first rule is to always clean and dry recyclables. First, rinse the item and make sure that it's completely clean, and then let it air dry so there's at most a teaspoon of water inside. This is to prevent contamination in the recycling process when materials are repurposed. The second rule is that the recyclable can't be too small. Always keep items larger than a credit card to ensure that they don't get stuck in the recycling facility's moving machinery. Some items, such as shredded paper, can be recycled, so check your recycling facility for their requirements. And the third and final rule is to never bag recyclables. If you don't do this, it may come as a surprise that many people bag recyclables before putting them in their bin. Never do this, because many recycling facilities will simply throw out the entire bag, even if some items are recyclable. Now, the best resource to learn if something is recyclable is to check our app. With a constantly growing database of items, the Cleaner Together app is the best resource to find out if something is recyclable. You can search the item manually through our easy-to-use alphabetized list, search for it with our powerful and modern search bar, or best of all, scan it with our state-of-the-art scanner, which uses artificial intelligence to find out what your item is. We're even working on a feature where you can find a specifically